Hi, I'm Paul DeBartolomeo. Welcome to Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. In this segment, we're going to discuss firefighter packaging and firefighter removal techniques. Initially, we come upon a downed firefighter. We've got to make him draggable so we can get him out of the IDLH. If the firefighter is not equipped with an internal harness, we can convert the scba air pack into a harness so we can drag this firefighter easily. Eric is going to come in, loosen up the waist strap, disconnect it, and run it through the leg and tighten it. So now we've made this scba into a draggable harness so we can get this member out of the IDLH. We're now going to get into some techniques that we use when we have a firefighter with an integrated harness. So a lot of firefighters have their gear equipped with a harness, either an internal or an external harness, and we can kind of use this to our advantage when we're dealing with downed firefighter removals. This is typically a two-firefighter operation, and we have to have a good division of labor. Eric is going to work down at the waist here. He's going to be solely responsible for converting this member. We're going to walk step by step through his job. Tim is going to be up at the head. He's going to have his specific responsibilities, right? So they're going to come in initially. They're going to find the member. They're going to try to sit him up a little bit at a 45-degree angle. Eric is going to go ahead and loosen up the shoulder straps. He's going to pop the large hook, the pompier hook. He's going to open it, and he's going to grab both the member's shoulder straps. All right, so now he's converted. We've essentially tied this harness into the shoulder straps, and now he's draggable. All right? Simultaneously, Tim is up at the head here, and he's going to do a quick check on his air supply. He has air, all right? And he's going to start to put a girth hitch on there using tubular webbing. He's just going to run it through those shoulder straps, girth it on itself to make this member a little more draggable. All right, so this is an option when we have a piece of webbing. Eric's going to come in and tighten up those shoulder straps. He's now going to transition up to the head. They're both going to get on that webbing and start their drag out of the IDLH. So another option we have for firefighter removal, if we have a larger victim or we have a longer way to go, we can kind of incorporate a little bit of mechanical advantage if we use a longer piece of tubular webbing. So I have a 20-foot piece tied in a continuous loop. Tim's going to run it through the shoulder straps, but he's not going to girth it. He's going to leave it loose. He's going to stay at the head and hold the short end. Eric is going to transition up and grab the long end. Eric's going to walk that out until it's tight, and he's going to anchor himself. Now Tim is going to crawl towards the exit door. Now Tim is going to stop and anchor himself, and Eric will crawl towards the exit door. So essentially we've created a 2-to-1 to assist us in dragging this down member. As I said, we have a larger down member, we have a longer way to go. We can use this mechanical advantage system to maybe make this removal a little bit easier. Another option we have, if both members, both victim and rescue firefighter, are equipped with a harness, we can incorporate the rescuer's harness to assist us in removing this down member from the IDLH. Right? We can come in, hook him up, and start dragging him maybe just to an area of refuge. Oftentimes, it's a solo firefighter who comes upon a down member, so we can at least initiate this removal process. So Tim's going to come in, open his harness hook, and get it through Anthony's shoulder straps. He's going to try to grab both shoulder straps with his large pompier hook on the harness. He's then going to straddle over Anthony's head and get his body facing the door for removal, and he's going to start crawling, dragging Anthony by the shoulder straps right out to the point of egress. So in this segment, we reviewed a few options for firefighter removal, different packaging options, using the scba waist strap to package a firefighter for removal, or incorporating a harness if it's present on our down member. And we showed you a few options using tubular webbing in the removal process. And tubular webbing is something that every firefighter should carry in their pocket. My name's Paul DeBartolomeo. I'd like to thank you for watching Fire Engineering's Training Minutes.